Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Welcome or welcome back. Just want to share this quick video of this Jamaican radio disc jock, I talk about all what going over there in Venezuela with the capture of the Venezuelan leader and thing. We are salt, we are Jamaican, we are salt, we are finna everything. But not even that, When you think about it still, when you look on the map, with they close to Venezuela, And not only that, the US are going to bag of things, are going with a whole heap of things in the Caribbean. Them have visited the Caribbean regular. So what we have to do? Like we have to keep our eye them open. But you what have to say?
His policies.
8 million Venezuelans fled
Yeah.
to other countries, mostly in South America and North America and so forth.
Yeah.
8 million people, Jamaica, they even have 3.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of people that,
Yeah. If you oppose him, you just disappear, or them lock you up, or things like that, and you can't you protest against him. They beat down protest. You can't run a democratic society, and if people protest, you lock them up.
It was really the oil reserve, because what I'm understanding is that Venezuela's oil estimate is about $303 billion, for which I believe China has some in. This now brings the 4th world leader that the US has captured, Emilio Aguando from the Philippines. That was way before our time, 1901. They went in and captured him. Then Noriega in Panama in 1990.
Yeah,
they went for Noriega.
They went.
Saddam Hussein in 2003, and then now Nicolas Maduro in 20. So this is the 4th leader that the US has gone in and captured. And a long time in forgo. Hey guys, good afternoon Jamaica, good afternoon to the rest of the world. Welcome to the Welcome Show, and of course I have head of news, a big man in the building, Vernon Davidson. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Afternoon, Burger.
They need to understand. Most people, Sir Vernon, just know say the US moving and take out Maduro. They don't know historically what has been happening and what future implications these things have for national sovereignty and international relations. Where you want to start?
Yeah. All right. Well, if you were paying attention to the news over the past, I'd just say, even from the first Trump term, you would know that once he got back in, he would have made a move against Maduro, because you remember the first indicted him in Trump's first term. The same charges now, same drug trafficking, leading a narco state.
Yeah, man. I missed that.
Yeah, man. First time.
And even the last election, year and a half.
Last two elections.
He
was accused of stealing the elections, both of them. Yeah.
Yeah, because his last predecessor won about almost 70% margin.
That's the word we got from the elections commissions there.
Right. From the warships were in the region. We should have made a statement, but we can't talk. I mean, that's no, like truth. And it's so unfortunate that our Prime Minister has had a car come now.
Yes.
And
handing over shortly, I'm lucky. Handing over shortly.
No.
Yeah, the term is not almost come to an end, I think. Yeah.
No, man.
When does it end? No, man, it was he got it last year. It was when? I can't remember the date. I'll check the date. It's near.
And as usual, thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts, your views, and your opinion. Be safe out there. On your way out, leave a small like, a small subscribe. I'm out.